The solar storm of the century, a global catastrophe in the making. Nostradamus predicted that a massive solar storm would hit the Earth between 2025 and 2030, causing unprecedented damage and disruption to the planet and its inhabitants. A solar storm is a disturbance in the sun's atmosphere that releases bursts of radiation and charged particles into space. When these molecules interact with the Earth's magnetic field, they can cause geomagnetic storms that affect the electrical grid, communication systems, satellites, and navigation devices. They can also create spectacular auroras, or northern and southern lights, that can be seen in the sky. A solar storm of this magnitude happened before, in 1859, when the so-called Carrington event caused telegraph wires to spark and catch fire, and auroras to be visible as far south as Cuba and Hawaii. However, the impact of such an event today would be much more severe, given our dependence on technology and infrastructure. According to some estimates, a solar storm like the one predicted by Nostradamus could cause trillions of dollars in damages and take years to recover from. But that's not all. The solar storm could also trigger natural disasters, such as volcanic eruptions and earthquakes around the world. This is because the geomagnetic disturbances could affect the Earth's crust, which is composed of tectonic plates that move and hit each other. The stress and strain caused by the solar storm could cause the plates to slip or break, releasing magma and seismic waves that could result in volcanic activity and tremors. Some of the regions that could be most affected by these phenomena are the Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped area around the Pacific Ocean that contains about 75% of the world's active volcanoes and 90% of the world's earthquakes. The Yellowstone caldera, a supervolcano in Wyoming that could erupt with devastating consequences, and the San Andreas Fault, a major fault line in California that could produce a massive earthquake. The combination of these events could create a global catastrophe that would endanger millions of lives and disrupt the social and economic order of the world. Number 3. The end of the world.